Howdy, howdy. This video is for Luis. My name is Joseph Graham. I'm with Upshot Solutions. My amigos, my compadres over there at the Lone Star Times said, you might be interested in what we do over here. What we do over here is help local businesses increase their online presence. Okay, so when someone is looking for foundation repair, they're going to do one of two things. The first thing they might do is ask their inner circle, hey, do you know anybody pretty decent at French drain installation? You know anybody who's pretty decent at that foundation repair, right? And you're going to get that word of mouth referral. The other thing they're going to do, if they don't do that, or they still might do that, is get online and search, right? They're going to get online and search. So foundation repair in Dallas, Texas, right? Foundation repair in Dallas, Texas. And when they do this, they're going to see some results like this, right? This is page 1 of Google, which is the highest traffic source in the country. You got people paying for ads. You got the organic listings, and no, these are the map listings, and below the map listings are the organic listings, right? Don't see here. Anyways, people pay for ads for two reasons. Reason one, they're a really big company. They might be statewide. They might be nationwide. They have the ad budget, right? So that's one way. The other reason might be because they don't know what I'm about to show you. They don't know these key elements. So they have to, like this guy, him. They have to buy their way on the page 1. How do you get there? Organically. Number 1, map listing. And this map listing anchors you in the town that you desire to rank in. Okay? You serve 11 counties. 1, 2, 3. This is 11 counties. On this map listing, you can put 20 locations. So what I love to do, yes, I will add every county that I do serve, but you might as well go ahead and list the cities. You might as well put Fort Worth. You might as well put Dallas and wherever the money's at. So Plano, Frisco, the Colony, you can add 10 cities. Well, actually 9, because you have 11 counties and you can add 20 locations. So go ahead and on the info, areas that you serve, add 9 more cities, right? So, and also just add just more information on here, more photos, max out every little detail, every little thing you possibly can. Then you can start building citations, right? Citations go off of your name, address, and phone number. You build a Facebook page using that same info. They give you a citation. Yellow Pages, BBB, Local Chamber of Commerce, Yelp, right? Hundreds of different other places. More the merrier. There's hundreds. Content, the words on your site. It needs to be authoritative. It needs to be relevant to searchers. And I love, absolutely love to use Wikipedia as an example because Wikipedia has the most authoritative. Let's just look for what's a peer. So if I don't know what a peer is, I type in peer. I mean, I do know what a peer is, but I'm just using this as an example. So, but the point is, Wikipedia is here. Like, no matter what it is, it could be peer, it could be beer, right? Wikipedia. They always have the most authoritative and relevant content. This is all content. These words on the website. Content. Same for the peer. Content. Just talks about peers, man. They're talking about beach peers, but for businesses and their services, it's the same thing. Services. Let me just kind of explain what I'm talking about. Still or hybrid peers. You want to become the Wikipedia of still and hybrid peers, French drains. You just want to talk about every little detail that you possibly can. You want to find every little question that people ask concerning these things, right? Every little thing you can. You want to become the Wikipedia. Why do you want to do that? Because Google scans the word, and this is pretty light, so you might want to have your guy, go back and make this black. I can't see this. I'm 29 thinking I'm going blind. I'm like, what the hell? So yeah, you want to do that, and backlinks are votes from other sites. Not all backlinks are created equal. Not all backlinks are created equal. So your website is your vehicle. Ranking on page 1 is the race. These backlinks give you the fuel that you need to push your website to page 1. You got 8,000 backlinks. Kudos, that's what's up, right? But there's always somebody that has more than you. And there's always somebody that might have less but more authoritative backlinks than you. So what do? We like to see what your competition is doing. What is your competition doing? No idea. Let's check. Allslan. They're a very big company. See, they're a very big company. So I'm not even going to use them. Let's just look for a local company. Let's just look for a local company. I don't want to compare your backlinks to a national. Excuse me. I don't want to compare your backlinks to a national company because of course they're national. They're gonna have a lot more, right? So just saying you got 8K, they got 2K. Not really. 24K. They got 24,000 backlinks, right? So what would you do? What would I do? I would go through the best ones that they have, start picking off those best backlinks. Because remember, this is all the fuel that drives you forward. So this is probably their best backlink that they got. Let me show you what it is. I know this is not important. It is important, but you're like, I don't care. I can't find it. It's hidden in here somewhere. Anyways, that they got a backlink in here, so it's gonna be their website is embedded in a word somewhere on this site. And when you click on that word, it's gonna direct you back to their website. That's a backlink. Now this is your map listing, SOS Foundation Repair. I'm trying to keep this short, man. I know you're busy, you got stuff to do. So anyways, when someone is looking for foundation repair, let's say in Grand Prairie, you're gonna see 3 top results like I was speaking about earlier, right? Just 3 map listings. And they're gonna see Grand Prairie Foundation Repair, which they are using a keyword, foundation repair, and the niche or the market. So keyword or niche, and then the city. What I want to show you right now is because there's not really any companies in Dallas that really dominate a large area, but since I do have family in Philadelphia and I did this for one of my uncles back over there in Philly, I'm gonna show you the one that I set up. Now I do plan on dominating the whole metro area in Philadelphia and probably Dallas soon. As soon as like that's why I'm making this video for you, because I do plan on like dominating the DFW just like I did here, just like I did in DC, Miami, and okay, so like check this out. Like it's all green. It's possible. You see? And this is like the equivalent is like DFW, right? So this is Philadelphia and this is New Jersey. Camden, New Jersey. Let me show you. So Philadelphia and Camden. This is kind of like DFW, kind of, right? It's a large area, right? Very large area. So anybody in these areas where it says 1, 2, 3, I show up first. That's why I get the first calls over here. And that's what you want to do for Dallas if you plan on growing, right? I just like to dominate. So yeah, bud. Hope this was informational. My name is Joseph Graham with Upshot Solutions. Peace.